It will rain or it is going to rain. Which sentence would you choose to describe the weather in this video? Stay until the end of the lesson and you'll learn the difference between these two examples. Hello awesome friends and welcome back to Q&A English. In this video we will help you fix some of the most common mistakes and errors that are made when forming and using the future with going to. Mistake number 1. Forms. First, positive sentences. It is wrong to say he going to play football. We make positive sentences with the pattern subject plus a positive form of the verb to be plus going to plus the infinitive of the main verb. As in, I'm going to play, you, we, they are going to play, he, she, it is going to play. We can use the short forms of am, is, are as well, especially in spoken English, so the correct sentences are he is going to play football and he's going to play football. Next, negative sentences. It is incorrect to say they weren't going to play tennis. The correct ones are they are not going to play tennis, they aren't going to play tennis. Why? Because we make negative sentences with a subject and negative form of the verb to be plus going to plus the infinitive of the main verb. The question, where are you going to, is wrong. We should say, where are you going to go? We make yes-no questions by putting am, is, are before the subject plus going to plus the infinitive. For example, am I going to go? Are you, we, they going to go? Is he, she, it going to go? Then we make WH questions by simply putting the WH word in front of the yes-no question, as in, where am I going to go? Where are you going to go? Where is he going to go? Mistake number 2, uses. We use be going to for our future plans and intentions. That's why it is wrong to say he will take a photo. We should say he is going to take a photo, which means that he has made all necessary preparations and he has the intention to take a photo soon. But we need to use the future with will if we offer to do something at the moment of speaking. Wait, I'm going to open the door for you is incorrect. We should say, wait, I'll open the door for you. As we make a decision to open the door now, it wasn't planned or intended. Next, we use be going to for predictions when there is an evidence. It is incorrect to say the plane will leave. We should say the plane is going to leave. There is a clue. The plane has departed. That's why we need to use be going to instead of will. But we need to use the future with will for less certain predictions based on a personal opinion or experience. No one knows what life will be like in the future. And finally 3, learning tips. 1. Study the grammar rules in the video. 2. Make your own future with going to sentences. You can practice the rules by answering to these questions. What are you going to do tomorrow? Where are you going to go next month? Who are you going to meet on Sunday? We'll be very happy to see your sentences in the comment section below. 3. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Keep on studying and you'll get there. One more thing. Check our lessons about the future tenses in English linked in the description box below. They'll help you learn the forms, uses, and time expressions of these tenses. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Be happy. Stay happy. Bye.